Good day everyone. Ralph Sanose of DMCI Homes Properties. Kamusta po kayo lahat? This will be my first vlog for 2022. So Happy New Year po sa inyong lahat. So in this episode, we'll go to one of our projects located in Mandaluyong City, located in Vicente Street, Mandaluyong, Sakai Garden Residences. So iikot po tayo doon. I will show you the site, the construction update, and yung mga malapit na mga landmarks, establishments sa Sakai Garden Residences. And I will discuss then yung full details of the project. So tara, samahan niyo ako. So we're going sa Sakai Garden Residences. Good thing about the location, malapit siya sa Makati, sa Ortigas, sa Manila, saka sa San Juan. So, nasa gitna siya sa 4 na cities na yon. Very, very accessible. Maraming central business district na malapit. Maraming schools and of course, mga establishments, mga malls like Shangri-La Mall, SM Mega Mall. Tapos meron ding Power Plant Mall. Sa mga business district naman, malapit siya sa Ayala Center, Ayala Makati, sa Ortigas Central Business District, sa Pioneer Mandaluyong Business District, tapos sa San Juan. Sa mga schools naman, malapit din siya sa Rizal Technological University, sa Lourdes School of Mandaluyong, Poveda, LaSalle Green Hills, Jose Rizal University, in Asian Pacific. So, ang daming natin options, choices for schools, offices, saka sa mga malls. So, madaling pumunta from Mandaluyong sa bawat city in Metro Manila. So, ngayon, nandito tayo sa tunnel ng Mandaluyong. Ang taas ng tunnel na yan is EDSA. So, tatawid tayo on the other side, going sa Vicente Street. So, it's like 1 kilometer away, nasa EDSA na kayo from Sakai Garden. So I'll show you the landmark. I think mga 2 to 3 blocks away from here. Liliko na tayo doon sa kanto na yun. So this is Bonnie Avenue, no? Mandaluyong City. So ang landmark natin or ang palatandaan natin going to Sakai is itong kanto na to. So we have our BDO. Pag nakita natin yung BDO, we will turn right. So dito sa area na to, puro residential, no? Dito sa street na to. Then, pag dumiretso tayo dyan, ang access na papuntang Shaw Boulevard, San Juan. So on your left side, this is an old project of DMCI Homes, si Dansalan Garden. So this is Dansalan Gardens. Dito kasi sa Mandaluyong, we have 3 to 4 projects on DMCI Homes. And this is Sakai Garden Residences. So this is the construction site. So guys, we're here na sa construction site ni Sakai Garden Residences. Tara, silipin natin. So guys, we're here at the construction site of Sakai Garden Residences. So we have 3 high-rise buildings. We have 39 to 41 residential floors. And as you can see, this is the Sugi building. Top off na siya. Completed na po yung structural works niya. Ang turnover ni Sugi Building is January 2023, so next year na. Our next building, which is si Icho Building, yung nasa gitna, ongoing naman po yung structural works at penthouse level. Turnover niya is January 2024. And our last building will be si Hinoki Building. Ongoing naman po yung structural works at 20th floor. Turnover will be September 2024. So, tuloy-tuloy yung gawa ni DMCI Homes, no? Even may pandemic, even may mga restrictions. As much as possible, we avoid yung mga delayed turnovers kasi normal practice ni DMCI Homes is either advance yung turnover or on time yung turnover. So, ito yung construction site natin. So, sa mga homeowners natin dyan, sa mga clients natin na nakabili na, malapit na po matapos yung unit ninyo. So, let's discuss naman po yung Sakai Garden Residences. So, we have 3 buildings. 39 to 41 residential floors. Kai means Earth, Recovery, and Worthy. So, ang mga malalapit na mga business districts, we have the Robinson's Pioneer Business Center, Rockwell Business District, Ortigas Business Center, Ayala Business District. So, halos lahat ng mga central business district natin dito sa Metro Manila, kalapit ni Sky Garden Residences. For the malls naman po, we have the Domingo Guevara Commercial Street, SNR Show, Sherry Foodarama, Robinson Forum, SM Light Mall, Pioneer Center, Greenfield Shopping Center, Rockwell Power Plant, Shangri-La Mall, Star Mall, SM Mega Mall at Estancia Mall. So, sobrang dami po ng malls na kalapit ni Sky Garden Residences. Within reach, less than 4 kilometers away lahat. For the schools naman po, we have the Rizal Technological University, City of Mandaluyong Science High School, Lourdes School of Mandaluyong, Colegio de Santa Rosa, University in Asia of Pacific, St. Paul College, at St. Pedro Poveda College. Sa mga churches naman po, we have San Roque Parish, Seventh-day Adventist Church, International Baptist Church, Our Lady of Fatima Parish, Victoria Church. We have the police stations din na malapit, yung precinct number 5. Sa hospitals naman po, walking distance yung Onciano General Hospital, saka yung VRP Medical Center, just 600 meters away. For the fire stations, we have the Mandaluyong Fire Station, saka yung United Mandaluyong Fire Emergency. Key access points, ambience, innovation. This is Sky Garden Residences. So as you can see, Mandaluyong is at the center of Taguig, Pasig, Manila, and San Juan. So this is the site development plan. We have the lap pool, lounge pool, kiddie pool, basketball court, play area, picnic area, garden, outdoor fitness area, jogging path. So this is the building facade. Building facade at night. So walk through natin yung mga perspectives. So this is the entrance gate. So as you can see, sa labas pa lang, Japanese inspired na siya. This is your reception lobby. You have your bar and game area. You have your lounge area. Ito naman po yung atrium level. This is the sky patio. And this is the amenity core. Ito naman po yung mga view if your unit is facing the amenities. You have your lap pool, your lounge pool, your kiddie pool with slides. So this is the garden entrance. So we have our own garden dito sa Sky Garden Residences. So ito naman po yung pagpasok natin sa garden. So another photo for the garden. You have your gazebos, you have your walking path. There's a lot of grass and trees. Ang ganda. And medyo malaki siya. Sobrang peaceful siguro dito. Para ka talaga nasa Japan. So you have your jogging path. And for the indoor amenities, we have the audio-visual room, fitness gym, roof deck, and function room. Sa mga building features naman natin, we have the CCTV cameras, full backup power. So even the units, meron siyang backup power. Electrified perimeter fence, fire detection, alarm, and suppression systems. And of course, hindi mawawala ito sa DMCI homes, the Lumivent technology, landscape atriums, and we have 12 high-speed elevators. We also have the mailbox area, water refilling station, commercial space or yung convenience store natin, and laundry station. For the unit features naman po, we have individual metered utilities, provision for telephone connection, cable connection, and internet connection. For the PMO service, we have the guarded gate and entrance, maintenance of landscape areas, roving security personnel, and taxi call-in service. So this is the 1-bedroom C and unit, a total of 39.50 square meter. You can avail this for as low as 15,000 per month. And this is the 1-bedroom B and unit as well, a total of 36 square meter. You can avail this for as low as 15,000 per month. This is a 2-bedroom a total of 56 square meter. You can avail this unit for as low as 20,000 per month. This is the 2-bedroom C, a total of 52.50 square meter. You can avail this for as low as 18,000 per month. This is the 3-bedroom A and unit. So we have 2 balconies, 2 toilet and bath, a total of 81.50 square meter. You can avail this for as low as 29,000 per month. This is the 2-bedroom D, a total of 53.50 square meter. You can avail this unit for as low as 19,000 per month. Lastly, we have the 2-bedroom E. a total of 53.50 square meter. You can avail this for as low as 19,000 per month. So let me show you photos of our 2-bedroom model unit. So this is the living, dining, and kitchen area. Another angle for the living and dining area. This is your toilet and bath. Your bedroom too. And your master's bedroom, which has an access sa balcony. So we do have available units left in Sakai Garden Residences, and may mga ongoing promos po tayo. For all units, you can get 2% discount. So dito, ito naman yung Bulusan Street. Malapit din kay Sakai Garden Residences. Walking distance lang actually. Dito sa street na to or sa area na to, maraming restaurants, bangko, may mga clinic din, and may Robinson Supermarket din. So dito sa area, maraming establishments and accessible din siya for Sakai Garden Residences. And maayos yung yung flow ng traffic. Kasi may mga one-ways dito na tuloy-tuloy lang yung daloy ng traffic, and marami tayong bike lanes dito sa Mandaluyong. Maraming coffee shops, mga milk tea, mayroong Starbucks. Sa bangko kompleto, you have Union Bank, you have BDO, you have East West Bank. So guys, try natin pumunta ng Rockwell coming from Sakai Garden Residences. So kakaalis lang natin sa Sakai. So kapag nag-turn right tayo dyan, going to Bonnie Ave, turn right, papunta namang Metro Manila yan. Papuntang Manila. Papuntang Santa Mesa. May daan din, papuntang Makati. And gagawin natin, mag-turn left tayo dito, palabas ng EDSA. So, nandito na tayo sa Bonnie Avenue. So, yung mga buildings na nakikita nyo, that is Pioneer Center na. So, this is Bonnie Avenue. So, dito na tayo sa right lane kasi aakit tayo ng bridge papuntang EDSA. Pag dumiretso naman tayo sa tunnel, papuntang Pasig na yan, Ortigas. So, may daan din dyan papuntang BGC, papuntang Loton Bridge connecting to Ortigas and BGC. So, ito, nasa EDSA na tayo. Mabilis lang coming from Sakai Garden Residences. So marami siyang accessibility. So we're here at EDSA. Approaching Guadalupe Bridge, EDSA. So this is EDSA on a Wednesday morning. Medyo rush hour na, pero konti lang yung traffic. So marami tayong bike lanes dito, all the way EDSA, so from south to north. So this is going to Rockwell na, no? We will make a turn dito sa Estrella Street, a right turn sa Estrella Street. Pag diniretso natin yan, Buendia na yan, Tayala Avenue. So this is Estrella Street, and we're here at Rockwell. So this is Rockwell Business District. Nandito rin po yung Power Plant Mall. So less than 10 minutes lang from Sakai Garden Residences, nasa Rockwell na tayo. So that's it for today guys. Sana po nagustuhan niyo yung project tour natin and yung construction update sa Sakai Garden Residences. Me personally, I'm very excited for that project kasi Japanese inspired siya. So para lang kayo nasa Japan, di ba? By the way, may mga available units pa tayo doon. 1 bedroom and 2 bedroom units. And we have our ongoing promos. Sa promos po natin, sobrang baba lang ng mga monthly amortizations natin. So if you have any questions, concerns, feel free to message me. I can also discuss the project via Zoom para po mapaliwanag ko nung mas maayos. So once again, this is Ralph Sonosi of DMCI Properties. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe para po updated kayo sa latest development in DMCI Homes. Thank you and keep safe.